Okay, today we'll see a problem on DFSM to accept strings of A's and B's having substring AA. So here, if you try to write the language, that is the strings obtained, yeah, that is substring AA means the only AA should also it actually I should accept. It can the AA can be in the beginning followed by any number of B's and A's. The AA can be in the center or A can be at the end anywhere, but there should be a substring. If the substring A is present, then the input should be accepted by the DFSM machine constructed. If the substring A is not there, then the input has to be rejected by the machine. So according to that, see here, check what is the minimum length of the string. Minimum length of the string is 2. So as I already informed in the previous problem, discussed in the previous problem, when the minimum length of the string is 2, the number of states required will be, minimum number of states required will be 1 more than the minimum length of the string. So here 2 is there. So we'll construct with the 3 states. Q naught, 1 state, 2 state, 3 states. This is Q naught, start state, Q1, Q2. So Q naught on A go to Q1. So 1A it should not accept, so it is going to non-final state. 2A it should accept, so we'll make this as a final state. 2A it is accepting. Now, if you will try to write the 5 tuples of our machine, M is equal to Q sigma delta Q naught F. So Q is equal to set of states. So which all states we have? Q naught, Q1, Q2 are the states. Q naught, Q1, Q2 are the states. Sigma is equal to input alphabets. What are the input alphabets we have here? A and B. So we'll write here A and B. Now, Q naught is start state, which is the final state. F is equal to Q2 is final state. Now we are left out with a delta transition table. That is, transitions we are representing in the form of a table. Transition table, which is called as transition table. Sigma. Input alphabets are A, B. States are Q naught, Q1, Q2, which is the start state. Q naught is the start state, which is the final state. Q2 is the final state. Now, according to the construction of a DFSM problem, from each state on each input, it should go to one and only one state. So we have Q naught, Q1, Q2. We need to think of Q naught on A, Q naught on B, Q1 on A, Q1 on B, Q2 on A, Q2 on B. We need to make all the transitions. Now check it out. Q naught on A, where it is going? Q naught on A, where it is going? It is going to the state Q1. Next, Q naught on B is required. So that is, we need to write delta Q naught on B, where it has to go. We need to think this one. Q naught on B, where it has to go. Check it out. So here we'll write Q naught on B is required. What is the minimum string to accept? So A, but here in this case, the substring can be at the beginning or at the center or at the end. So if in the beginning we'll check, but as the start state, we are starting from the start state itself. So we'll check at the end, the minimum string to make this as an accepting is 2 A's are required. So what we'll do now, that is go in the reverse order. How did you reach to Q2? Q1 on A, you have reached to Q2. How did you reach to Q1? That is Q naught on A, you have reached to Q naught on A, you have reached to Q1. Write the delta transition function. That is delta. You are in the state Q naught. Input is B. To which state it is going? It is going to the state Q naught. Q naught on B, go to the state Q naught. Next. What is the next? Next we'll see Q naught on A and B is done. Then go to the next state, that is Q1. Delta Q1 on B is required where it is going. So what we'll do now? You are in the state Q1, input is B, we need to check. So we have to, as it is a substring, we'll check whether previously we have got a 2A's. A. Start with the start state Q naught. Q naught on A, we are reaching to Q1. We have 1A. So again, to make this string as an accepting, we need a minimum 2A's. That is again in the reverse direction. Q2, Q1 on A, go to Q2. How did we reach to Q1? That is, how did we reach to Q1? Q naught on A, we are reached to Q1. Write the transition here. That is delta Q1, you are in the state Q1, input B, to which state we need to go? We need to go to the state Q naught. Q1 on B, go to Q1 on B, go to Q naught. Okay, now we are done. Q naught on A, Q naught on B, Q1 on A, B is done. See, as we have got already a substring AA, so Q2 on AB, it goes to the same state. Check it out. We'll write now. Now we require Q2 on A. So Q2 on A, that is delta Q2 on A, where it has to go. Check here. So to make this as an accepting, two A's are required. So we have already got here. How did we reach to Q2? Start from the start state Q naught. Q naught on A, we are reached to Q1. Q1 again on A, we are reached to Q2. We have got the substring already AA. So Q2 on A, it will be Q2 itself. Q2 on A, it is Q2 itself. Similar to that. Next required is, next what is required? We'll write the transition here. Delta Q2, you are in the state Q2. Input is A, to which state it is going? It is going to the state Q2 itself. Next, what is required? Delta Q2 on B. You are in the state Q2. Input is B, where it has to go. So here, what we'll do now? We'll think of Q2 on B. When we think of Q2 on B, that is Q2 on B is required. We'll check it out. How did we reach to Q2? Whether I have got a substring AA previously? Yes. That is Q0 on A, it is going to Q1. Q1 on A, it is going to Q2. Substring already AA is present. So we'll be in the state Q2. So we'll write the delta transition function here. Delta Q2 on B, it has to go to the state Q2. Q2 on B, go to the state Q2. Q2 on A, go to the state Q2. Q2 on B is Q2. So you check now. So all the transitions are defined. Q0 on A, B, Q1 on A, B, Q2 on A, B is defined. We'll fill the transition table. Q0 on A, it is going to Q1. Q0 on B is Q0. Q1 on A is Q2. Q1 on A is Q2. Q1 on B is Q0. Q2 on A is Q2. Q2 on B is Q2. We'll see the sequence of moves made by a string for this particular problem. Say assume that I'll take the string B, B, A, A. Check the sequence of moves, whether the string is accepted or rejected. So here, start with the initial configuration. The initial configuration is Q0, comma, B, A. So what happens here? Q0 on B. Q0 on B, it is going to Q0. On B is Q0 itself. So we have BAA. Again, next move. Q0 on B. We have seen just now, it is Q0 only AA. Then next. Q0 on A. Q0 on A, it is going to the state Q1. It is going to the state Q1. Q1 on A. Check here. Q1 on A, where it is going? It is going to the state Q2. Q1 on A, it is going to the state Q2. No more input. Epsilon. Final configuration. Is Q2 a final state? Check here. Q2 is a final state. Yes, Q2 is a final state. So for this in particular string, starting from the start state, we are able to reach to a final state. So we say that string accepted. String accepted. So now if the string is like this, whether this should be accepted or rejected. Two A's are there, but according to that, there should be a substring AA means continuously we should have an AA. Here, same thing will start Q naught AB AB. Start with the start state Q naught. Check here Q naught on A, where it is going? It is going to the state Q1. So it is going to the state Q1 BAB. You are in the state Q1. Q1 on B. Q1 on B, it is going to Q naught. Q1 on B is Q naught AB. You are in the state Q naught. Input is A. State Q naught, input is A. Go to the state Q1. Go to the state Q1 B. Check. Q1 B, where it is going? It is going to the state Q naught. It is going to the state Q naught. No more input. Whether Q naught is a final state? No, Q naught is not a final state. So as we are not able to reach to a final state, string is string rejected. String is rejected. Okay, fine. This is how we are going to solve the given problem. Thank you.